Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. This is kind of a weird video. So first, before I get into that, my name is Dylan. Nice to meet you. Do a little virtual handshake here. Yes, I have a really weird apartment. I know, I'm in college, and this is just a classic little crappy apartment, if you will. That's really expensive based on where I live in the California Bay Area. So basically in today's video, I have some really weird evidence. I don't know if you've heard of, I haven't made a video about this company. It's pretty much a scam company that I've heard of. It's a typical MLM, multi-level marketing company, and they're tackling I guess I would say they're targeting rideshare drivers. I've gotten tons of emails from them. Their website looks super sketchy. I've gotten Facebook messages from random people saying, oh, you know, make 100% of your fares, you're gonna get rich. Well, I actually did talk to some guy who was a founding member, which just means he joined early. I thought he was one of the founders, but he's not. And I talked to him on the phone for like 30 minutes because I wanted to like really find out what they're trying to tell people. And he was like, dude, you're gonna get rich. You're gonna refer all these people to drive for, the company's called Tryp, T-R-Y-P. Do not sign up for them. Trust me, do not sign up for them. They're targeting rideshare drivers. It's an multi-level marketing company, MLM. That basically what they do, the people at the top get rich, and then the only way they get rich is if people at the bottom fail. It's a normal company, you know, or MLM. You refer people, and basically what the structure is that you pay a certain amount per month. I think theirs is 200 bucks a month or 100 bucks a month, whatever. Even if it's 50 bucks a month. You pay let's just say it's 100 bucks a month. You pay $100 a month, which I think it's 200. I think it's 199. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Say you pay $199 a month. Now they ask you, oh, well, if you refer one person, now your payment goes down to $175 a month. Now if you refer 5 people, it goes down to 100 bucks a month. If you refer 10 people, it goes down to 50. Oh, but if you refer 20 people, now it's free. Oh, if you refer 50 people, now you're actually getting paid. Now we're paying you 200 bucks a month. They want you, and then those people that you refer, those people can refer people, and they'll count for you too, and you'll get a cut of their pay. Where basically, you know, the people at the bottom, there's always going to be people who are paying and not referring other people. So you basically have to trick people into sign people up. What they're doing is they're targeting rideshare drivers. Why? Because rideshare drivers, let's face it, we're signing up to make money, and so when we hear, oh, you can make a bunch of extra money doing this, then I honestly really don't think that they ever plan on ever releasing an app. They just want people to sign up so that the people at the top can make money. I don't think they have an app. I don't even think they're planning to make an app. But however, all that set aside, I was just watching one of my own videos because I have guest creators on now. This was a video by Greg Wave, and I looked at it and I said, what the heck? Tryp is actually advertising on my videos. Look at this. Let me pause this so you can't hear it. They're literally running ads on my videos. That means that they're making money and that they're actually, like, this is not just fun and games anymore. They're not just like scamming people. Well, maybe they are, but they got approved through Google Ads, which is really hard to do. Like, you can't just run a Google ad. And if you do, that means you're spending a lot of money. You know, Uber runs videos on my ads. Lyft runs videos on my ads. And now it's Tryp. Tryp might actually, I don't know. It's kind of giving me second thoughts. Still, I wouldn't recommend anybody that I know to ever sign up for this app, or for any really MLM company, unless it's like, I don't know, unless it's actually legit, like they've been around for a while and stuff. If it's a new MLM, I'm talking 5 years old or newer, I would never recommend anybody that I know to sign up for one. They're essentially scams, and then you're gonna scam other people. I guess scam. You're gonna force other people to pay money, and then they're gonna be losing money, and then they ask you to do your friends. And I have friends who ask me, and I'm like, dude, just stop. I do not want to sign up for your healthcare skin product and pay money and then refer my friends. It's like, it's not even worth it. So I'm just gonna click on the ad and let's see what it says. Maybe does it just go to their website? Look how sketchy this website is. Like, it literally looks like a 7-year-old built this. Like, I could make an easier one in this in an hour. Like, there's just text, say hello to earning. Like, what is this? Get started now. I think it just takes you to, like, all these ways to earn. Driver influencers, download for free. We already have beta rider app on Android. Okay, well, if you don't have iPhone, everyone has iPhone. We're giving $1 to anyone who downloads and logs into our rider app. I don't know. I still don't trust these people. But I don't know. I mean, maybe. And like, look at this. Let's see what these. They're putting on fake testimonials. Like, Tryp teaches me to be a business owner and not just another driver on an app. They don't even have a driver app. So these are essentially fake reviews, which is not a good sign. Hi, I'm Debbie. You can contact me on my number. What? Am I supposed to call this guy? Who is DV? I don't know. Yeah, it's $199 a month. That's crazy. So, I don't know. I just thought maybe it's a sign that they're like, still, it's really sketchy. Now they're running, yeah, guys, gotta be careful. Don't get scammed by these guys. It's kind of a shame that they're running these ads on my videos because I hope none of you guys do sign up for them. If you have already, just cancel it. Take your $199 loss. Actually, fun fact, sign that I got a call from them back in November, and they were the guy who's like, we're launching in December 5th. This was like, what, 6-7 months ago now? We're launching in December 5th. And then on December 5th, he texts me, oh, never mind, we changed the launch date to January 5th. Then it's February 5th, March 5th. Like, dude, relax, bro. You, like, this is typical scam stuff. Don't fall for it. I don't know. I hate people. I hate bad businesses. Like, I hate people who just, like, I don't know. They're just taking advantage of drivers who don't know any better. Because let's face it, there's no barrier to entry. It's actually pretty smart, sadly, that what they're doing is because they're targeting a certain people. Let's face it, anybody can sign up to be a driver. You don't need any formal education. Just sign up. So when you're targeting those people, they're much more likely to sign up. So I really hope you haven't. If you're watching this, hopefully not, but let's face it, some of you guys probably already have. Okay, I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you guys for watching. Stick to Uber and Lyft or actual legit rideshare company that doesn't charge you to drive for them. Okay, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.